Hi beshies! Hi friendships! Hi mga guaps! Welcome to my channel! This video is about me making a lot of DIY projects. And if you notice, I have a sprain on my hand. Even my hand bandage is also DIY. I overworked it and I overstretched it, oh, no! I think. So for 3 successive days, I was doing a lot of stuff. First, I fixed my room in my father's new house, which he wasn't able to see anyway, because he passed away last year. I think when I took this picture, the house wasn't done yet, the outer part I mean. So this is my room. So they assembled my cabinet and also my bed, and then I was varnishing, baby. And then I decorated my bed. I put the pink wallpaper at the side just to make it cutie pie. And that's my frame, picture frame that I painted before, my DIY project before. I'm not yet done. I need to put the mirror and some other stuff. So that's my room there. And then the following day, Thursday I think, I painted my bathroom organizer and the bed. Times are hard now, so I just repainted an old bed and I refurbished an old bathroom organizer. I used sandpaper to remove the corroded area and I repainted it. Friday, I cut some cloth. It put a lot of stress on I think in my ligament or something here, particularly near the wrist. At night, Saturday night, it was really painful already. I didn't think it's gonna swell, but it did. And so I put ice every 2 hours. I elevated it because it's price, protection, rest, ice, compression, and elevation. So I took medicine also, ibuprofen, to reduce the swelling, and I put this one so that I minimize my movement, and I elevated it, which is very difficult if you want to do something. It's hard to use your left hand when you're right-handed, and it's even harder when you just use one hand. But the good thing about it is I think I lost a little weight. When I weighed myself, I lost like 2 pounds. Then I did a lot of blouse makeover. I have severe hot flashes, so I perspire easily. So I made it a little bit comfy. I took out a little of the neckline and a little of the sleeves and made it a little crop para makiusog yung tahaywat. Sabi pa lang wanggit. Hala, pusing taman. Bahalag na piyang. Then of course, I was cutting cloth for my masks, which I stopped making. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye! Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!